good to do outdoors when there's no problem. But when there's need, you can do indoors. This is just an office. Because I don't have time, I always do my exercise here, or even in my home, my room. So you start by warming up.
I can even give you some rap myself now. Najamakat karara nkahigara, garo antambiko ampakasyo, akasyo nakabagesi, bagesi bamporro, orona hawa rukoko ya mpihuri, irunarira zabana, abana bampengeyo, yo najyo mukama yampakasa, kasa nakishuru mukazi yazara umwana, namweta mugarra, nagaje byoshe. Today, these young people taught me about this rap because I was not following what they were saying. You want another rap? You want another rap? You want another rap?
You can do as many raps as you want.
You want another rap? Penkoni ngarama zeizire ni chundebinyo. You want another rap? 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 You want another rap?
So mambo ya ujinga that you need to run in the compound. Watch it.